Jy het sopas uitgevind dat jou broer of suster kanker het en jy mag dalk baie emosies ervaar soos gevoelloos, bang, eensaam of selfs kwaad. Vir nou probeer egter om op die volgende feite te fokus. Baie kinders oorleef kanker en jy het goeie rede om hoopvol te wees dat jou broer of suster beter sal word. Vandag oorleef soveel as 8 uit 10 kinders wat met kanker gediagnoseer word hul siekte en baie gaan voort om normale lewens te lei. Dit is omdat wetenskaplikes nuwe en beter maniere ontdek het om kanker te vind en te behandel. Jy is nie alleen nie. Op die oomblik lyk dit dalk of niemand anders in die wêreld voel soos jy nie en in 'n sekere sin is jy reg. Niemand kan presies voel soos jy nie. Maar dit kan help om te weet dat daar ander kinders is wat 'n broer of suster met kanker het. Om met ander te praat kan jou help om jou gevoelens te verwerk. Onthou, jy is nie alleen nie. Jy kan nie beskerm nie, maar jy kan vertroosting bied. Soms sal jy sterk wees vir jou broer of suster en soms sal jou broer of suster sterk wees vir jou. Het is oukei om te praat oor hoe moeilik dit is en om self saam te huil. Kennis is mag. Dit kan help om meer te leer oor kanker en kankerbehandelings. En soms is wat jy verbeel eintlik erger as die werklikheid.
In 1994, a group of Namibians saw a need for a grassroots Namibian medical aid fund. The Prosperity Medical Aid Fund was born right here, among the hard-working fishermen and shipworkers of Walvish Bay. In 2001, in order to establish a fund focused on its members that put their health first, the fund formed its own identity away from its administrators, Prosperity Health. It was named Renaissance Health as a symbol for the renewal of medical funding in Namibia, a transformation in health. Renaissance members voted for their first board of trustees who would carry the fund forward for all Namibians. By 2010, Renaissance had members across the entire Namibia, a fund founded by Namibians for Namibians to ensure access to quality healthcare. In 2020, RMA was put to the test with COVID-19, supplying life-saving oxygen machines door-to-door to members when our Namibian hospitals were full, saving many of its members' lives. RMA is not just a medical aid fund, it's a partner in health for its members, whether through our chronic compliance programs or yearly wellness checkups. RMA was started by you. It belongs to you. A proudly Namibian first medical aid fund providing the best in care for all Namibians. Renaissance Health Medical Aid Fund, serving Namibia since 1994. RMA. Your health comes first.